Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you the unboxing of my new Fire HD8, and let's check it out. All accessory inside the box, and after that I will show you some additional accessory that I just buy from the shop. And now let's check it out, the Fire HD8. And we have the seal here, and we already take out the seal, and that's we put this back. Okay, at the shop we have this seal, and I already take it out and check this tablet, and we do some installation. And now all accessory inside the box here, and here is our Fire HD8, and there's nothing else inside the box, so I keep it here. And then we have the accessory on the bottom of the box. We have the power adapter, some manual, and the Type-C charger cable. Okay, it's the Type-C cable. And here you can see some detail on the adapter, so I put the big picture here because the video cannot focus. Okay, so in conclusion, we have this tablet, power adapter, cable, charger cable, and two of the information manual. Also, I have buy the additional this kit case, and this touch screen pen, stylus touch screen, and the Bluetooth case with the keyboard, manual. Okay, so take it out. We have the Bluetooth here, Bluetooth keyboard here, and here is our Fire HD8. Take it out. Okay, now first of all I need to connect my Wi-Fi. Okay, after connect Wi-Fi we need to do some setup. Okay, if you are new here, just press the start here, so you can see the word start here. And now we're going to create an Amazon account and choose your country region. Easier or other country. Okay, if it doesn't show your country, just use other country. Put your first name, your email address, and then create password. After that, just click create account. Okay, after complete your information, then just press create account. And then solving your puzzle to protect your account. Okay, solve puzzle. Pick the spiral galaxy. Spiral galaxy. Okay, it sends the OTP to my email. Okay, you will see the OTP here. It sent to your email address, and then just input that OTP 533684. 533684. Verify. Add mobile number, so add your mobile number. First of all you need to choose your country region. Okay, after you add your mobile number, just press add mobile number, and then it will send the OTP to your phone. Okay, you will see the Amazon here send you the mobile code 069990 9990. Okay, and then just press create Amazon account. Okay, it's now loading. Enter the payment method. Just skip it because I use it with my kids, so I don't want to enter the payment method. Just skip it in just a second. Okay, now I think we all is done.
Alexa is on your tab voice to open apps. Ask questions.
Facebook, agree and continue.
Try it now. Ask Alexa, what's the weather?
Try it now. Just Alexa, what's the weather?
Sorry, something went wrong.
Alexa, what's the weather? Continue. Alexa, what is the weather? Nothing. Okay, I don't know, and now it jumping to this screen, and I just press finish. Okay, and now we are already inside this Amazon home screen, and you can see the App Store. Some app. So I want to download the, for example, I want to download the TikTok. So now just search for TikTok. Okay, here, and select on it. Okay, download. Preparing download. See, preparing download. Okay, now it start downloading. Okay, after download it, you will see the TikTok app here, and we just open that app. Okay, and now have a closer look to the outside of this Amazon. So this on the back, it can show your finger print on here. Can see when we do touch for a long period, it will show this like this. Camera on the back, front camera will be here, and this is the lock screen button, and this is the volume button, and this one is the I think it's additional for the memory card. And the charger cable will be here. Okay, on the top of the Fire HD, and we have two speakers here. Okay, now I try to input with this little case. After that, we try to put with the kit case. So put it here like this, and then we have the magnetic keyboard on here. And after that, we just close it together, so it will be like this. And for the kit edition, I take it out and use with the kit box like this. Okay, so you can see, and here we have the on the back of here, it have the stand of this Fire Stick. Okay, and that's it. That is all for today's video of the unboxing and the setup at the first time of your Amazon Fire HD 8 tablet. And thank you everyone for your time watching this video, and let me sorry if some problem happened during the recording, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.